How to change Roblox keyboard controls. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now, unfortunately, there's no actual way directly inside of the game for you to be able to change your keybind. There are some methods, of course, but that would involve modifying the Roblox system itself or like their code base. As you can see here in this example, they were basically modifying your code, or they would give you a guide on how to modify your code so that you will be able to use other keys for specific functions. But I have an alternative here for those who doesn't really want to have or think very hard on how to do this or how to change it, or those who doesn't know how to code. What I would recommend is that you download Sharpkey 3.5 over here on their platform, or just simply search in Google Sharp keys, which will basically allow you to modify what your key binds respond to. For example, we could click here and you could look for the key W. I'll look for the specific code over here, or for the key W, for example. Let's see over here. So we have our W key over here, and you could select what key do you want it to perform. So, for example, you want your W to do the action or the specific toggle for a specific letters. For example, you want letter S, something like that. So you could click on OK over here, which will then have a new mapping for your key. So if you press W on your keyboard, it will then activate the letter S key. So simply modify and change around the different things that you have or that you want to change, of course, corresponding to what key do you want to do, or what specific key you want it to be changed to. And after that, it will automatically apply. Now, keep in mind, this will apply even outside of Roblox. So after playing Roblox, I guess, is you're going to have to remove it from your Sharp key, or you're going to have to exit your Sharp key so that it doesn't affect your entire device. So you could also utilize your laptop or your PC outside of Roblox without having any issues. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.